Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth lesson of our lettering course. Today we are going to practice capital letter using the basic strokes we learned in the last lesson. I hope you have practiced during the week and that you are happy with the content of this course so far. The idea of these proposals is to show that even if we are isolated, we also have many alternatives and new things to learn from home without big required equipment. Well, let's get started about today's topic. As I told you in the last video, I want you to notice that to draw our capital letters, you don't need such strict lines. In fact, the more you relax your hand, the fresher strokes you will get. From my experience, I consider that learning and practicing capital letters are fundamental and necessary exercises to give our lettering pieces their own style. Due to this is the beginning of our piece, capital letters have a great responsibility to balance the entire composition. It must also be impressive and with character so that the other letters always have respect for them. When we draw a piece of lettering where there are two or more words, we must be very careful with our capital letters because if there is one letter up to another, we can lose the balance. So to avoid this, we should play with the visual weights, but this is another topic that we are going to speak in the following videos. As you can see, there is not any mystery with our capital letters. I mean, they have the same form that you can see in almost every single font in your smartphone or in your laptop. So I think it's gonna be really easy for you to get used to these strokes. The only thing you have to remember is to keep always the same pressure. Okay, so at this point we have finished with all the strokes you need to know before to start drawing your own lettering piece. So what I want you to do now is to think of a word or a short phrase that you like, because in the following video we will begin to make the first sketches for our lettering piece. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed with this video. Please keep practicing and see you in the next one. Bye.